Hi friends, in this video we will continue working on our MySQL container, and in previous session what we did is we downloaded the Docker image, MySQL Docker image, and we created a container. We logged in to the container and also to the MySQL CLI, and in this session what we will do is we will try to configure our container so that we can access the MySQL database from our host system, or you can say externally we can access the services that are running within the within the MySQL container. That is nothing but your MySQL. So let's try to do that. So one thing we need to remember here is, if you look at the ports here, you can see that the MySQL is configured with ports 3306 and 33060. Okay, and you can get this information also at the where from the Docker Hub image file. Here you can see that the port numbers which it is configured, it says expose 3306 and 33060. So we have to make use of this port number, and when creating the Docker container, we need to publish this port number so that the services which are running, or the MySQL service which is running within the container, can be accessed externally, that is outside the container. So how can we do that? Let's take a look at it. And if you see here, in this case, as I have not configured the port numbers, if I cannot access MySQL which is within the container, I cannot access it outside the container because I'm not publishing anything. So how to do that? Let's see. So before that, let's stop the container, because to configure the port numbers, I can do that when I'm creating the container. So let's stop the container first. Container stop, and the ID, container ID. So it's stopped now. So let me clean up. Now it's cleaned up. Now what I'll do is I'll try to create the container. Now this time what I'll do is I'll use a option or flag called publish, and it is P followed by the port number which we want to publish, that is within the container, or you can say that MySQL service within the container is configured with port number 3306. So you can use the same thing here, 3306 colon 3306. So what exactly I'm doing here is, this is the port number 3306 is the port number that the host system configured or is published to. Okay, whereas this 3306 is the port number of the container. Okay, you can have anything. Okay, you can have something like 3333, and so what happens is now the service within the container, okay, the MySQL service within the container 3306, which is configured with that port number, can now be accessed externally, okay, outside the container with this port number, that is 3333. Okay, I hope you got that. So for now what I'll do is I'll keep the same, and I will hit enter. Okay, now let's see okay, it's configured, and you can see that the port numbers, when compared with the previous one, previously it was having no mapping, or you can say there was nothing here. Now it has 3306. Now what you can do is, now you can access the MySQL service within the container, that is running within the container, externally, that is from your host system, okay, using port number 3306. And this is something that you can always update, that is when you're creating the container, that is you can have this thing any port number that you want to you know publish to. So that is how you publish the port number of the MySQL container to the external world. I hope that is clear. That's it for the video. See you in the next session.